Ladies and gentlemen, today we're stepping into a forgotten corner of automotive history to meet a machine that once stood proudly among America's finest luxury automobiles. Long before highways were packed with SUVs and before luxury badges became household names, the 1927 Peerless Model 6-inity rolled through city streets as a symbol of prestige, craftsmanship, and success. It was the kind of automobile that made people stop, stare, and quietly wonder what business deal its owner had just closed. Nearly a century later, this elegant machine survives as a reminder of an era when luxury cars were built with remarkable attention to detail and enough chrome to make the sun file a complaint. The story of Peerless began in Cleveland, Ohio, where the company entered the automobile business in 1900. During the early years of the American auto industry, hundreds of manufacturers competed for customers, but only a handful managed to establish a reputation for quality. Peerless quickly became one of them. By the 1910s, the company shifted its focus toward luxury automobiles, placing itself in direct competition with brands such as Packard, Pierce Arrow, Cadillac, and Lincoln. Owning one of these automobiles signaled wealth and social status. While many manufacturers chased mass production, Peerless concentrated on refinement, comfort, and engineering quality. The company introduced its first V8 engine in 1915, only 1 year after Cadillac unveiled its own V8, proving that Peerless was willing to compete with the industry's biggest innovators. Competition was fierce, but Peerless continued attracting customers who valued elegant styling and solid engineering. Unfortunately, the prosperity of the Roaring Twenties would not last forever. The Great Depression arrived only a few years later and struck luxury manufacturers particularly hard. Despite efforts to reduce costs and remain competitive, Peerless could not survive the economic collapse. Production ended in 1931, and the company eventually left the automobile business altogether. Following the end of Prohibition in 1933, the former automaker famously entered the brewing industry instead. That might be one of the most dramatic career changes in corporate history. The 1927 Model 6-inity represented Peerless during its final years of automobile production. Today, surviving examples are exceptionally rare, which explains why many enthusiasts have never encountered one in person. Seeing one at a modern car show is a little like discovering a forgotten chapter of American automotive history parked quietly between more famous classics. Under the hood, the Model 6 E90 originally featured a 28.8 cubic inch inline-six engine, equivalent to 5 liters. From the factory, this power plant produced approximately 70 horsepower, respectable output for a luxury automobile of its era. The engine delivered smooth performance rather than outright speed, matching the expectations of affluent buyers who preferred comfort and reliability over aggressive acceleration. That may not sound extraordinary today, but in a machine approaching its 100th birthday, it is enough to earn respect. Like many luxury automobiles of the 1920s, the Peerless used a conventional front engine, rear-wheel drive layout. Its long wheelbase contributed to a remarkably smooth ride and created generous interior space. One of the most impressive features visible on surviving examples is the enormous rear seat legroom. Passengers could stretch out comfortably, conduct business conversations, or simply enjoy being chauffeured around town while everyone else bounced over rough roads in far less sophisticated vehicles. The design philosophy behind the 1927 Peerless Model 6-inity reflected the values of America's luxury market during the late 1920s. Elegance mattered just as much as engineering. The long hood, upright grille, sweeping fenders, and carefully proportioned body created a dignified appearance that communicated prestige without excessive flamboyance. Many surviving examples wear attractive two-tone paint schemes, a popular styling trend of the era. Compared with competitors from Packard, Pierce Arrow, Cadillac, and Lincoln, the Peerless occupied a respected position in the luxury market. It may not enjoy the same recognition today as a Duesenberg or Cadillac, but during its prime it was considered a serious contender. Buyers appreciated its reputation for quality construction and dependable engineering. The challenge was that Peerless operated in a market filled with powerful rivals, each fighting for a relatively small group of wealthy customers. When economic conditions collapsed after 1929, surviving became almost impossible. Some companies struggled on for a few more years while others disappeared entirely. Peerless joined the latter group, leaving behind a legacy that would gradually fade from public memory. Despite its rarity, the Model 6 inanity generated admiration among owners and enthusiasts. Period advertisements emphasized refinement, quality, and prestige, rather than flashy performance claims. Today, collectors value surviving examples because they represent a nearly forgotten chapter of American luxury car history. Whenever one appears at a show, it attracts curious spectators who often ask, "Peerless, who built that?" Moments later, they are studying every detail while pretending they already knew the answer. What makes the Peerless especially charming is that it embodies an era when luxury automobiles were created with patience and attention to detail. Every polished surface, every carefully fitted interior component, and every elegant body panel reminds us that automotive design was once as much about artistry as transportation. This from a man who still hasn't finished repairing a lawn chair he broke 3 summers ago. Now let's talk money. In its day, a Peerless Model 6 inanity commanded a premium price that placed it firmly in the luxury segment, making it affordable only to prosperous buyers. Exact prices varied depending on body style and equipment, but ownership represented a significant financial commitment. Because surviving examples are so rare, modern auction appearances are uncommon. Values depend heavily on originality, restoration quality, and documented history. Some classics are remembered because millions were built. Others are remembered because only a few survive. The Peerless belongs firmly in the second category. A huge thank you to the sponsors of our YouTube channel, the amazing members who keep these automotive adventures rolling. Without you, Bob would probably be managing the budget, and we'd be filming reviews using candles to save electricity.